Do you know what SED is?
Boom.
Not SED as being shared, but SED, the Linux tool, it's used to stream, editor for filtering and transforming text. It's not the reason for this video exists. This is just to show you what some crazy dude did with SED. Check the description for more details, but in the nutshell, SED, for example, a very basic but very common use case is to convert lowercase letters into uppercase letters, for example. But some dude just decided to do or to use sets to do what? To create a Mario clone. So basically, a set. So use set and see the use case. So he used set to make it possible to play Mario, Super Mario, the first level Super Mario, in the actual set utility. I mean, I'm going to put in the description below the website where he shows how he's done it. It's kind of it requires some some practice to get it going and to understand the concept, but it works fine. I mean, fine as fine as possible for a Mario game using sets. I mean, you have to play to kind of get the feel. If I don't touch the keys, the things don't move. So it almost remembers a game for PC. I forget its name, but that the game only progresses when time progresses. You also had a sword. The game was kind of red in a way. So when you lose, you just need to restart, and it's fine. Or at least I don't know a way to restart the game to continue without restarting. And I forget the name of that game that it's for PC. It kind of the game moves when you move and stops when you stop. I forget the name. I should have researched that. I didn't. Typical of me, but I'm sure someone will put it in the comments below. It's a PC game. It's usually on Steam. That the enemies are red, almost like crystal like, and the game only progresses when you progress, when you move forward. I forget the name. Can someone put in the comments below the name of the game? Which means that the game only moves forward when you do move forward, and it moves backwards. You move backwards. It's quite fun. But anyways, it feels a little bit like that. But man, I'm playing Super Mario using just sets. I have never finished the level because I want to do it while recording, and so you guys can get my real feelings. But here we are, finishing, and we did it.